how to add hashtags on Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to add hashtags on an Instagram post in just a few simple steps. So first things first, go to the plus icon on the bottom and choose the photo that you want to post. Once you've chosen it, tap on next and then you can edit it however you want and then tap on next again. And now here tap on add a caption, and to add a hashtag you'll have to tap on the hash option, and you can choose any hashtag you want. So once you type in the first few words, Instagram will show you hashtags used by other people, and you can use the most popular hashtag, that is beautiful destination. Here has 68.2 million hashtags, so you can tap on it and your post will also get the same hashtag, and people who search for this hashtag will see your post as well. And you can even add other hashtags. You can add as many hashtags as you want. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.